What would you do if you watched someone you love become a prisoner in their own body? This July 4th, as fireworks celebrated freedom outside, I was in my mother-in-law's bedroom watching her final victory lap against Parkinson's. As I was in her bedroom, watching this horrible disease wage its relentless assault on her brain and body, I realized the fireworks that matter weren't outside. They were in her brain, the neural misfires happening with her and 10 million others worldwide. Sadly, Cheryl Diane passed away on July 5th. This horrible loss has now sparked a revolution. In this video, I'm going to reveal shocking truths about Parkinson's that the healthcare system does not want you to know. This disease is secretly destroying America's small business owners. Did you know that today's most prescribed drug is actually part of the problem? Here's what the pharmaceutical companies don't want you to know. Over 1 million Americans and 10 million people worldwide are locked in this neurological prison. The economic impact is staggering. Pharmaceutical companies generate $5 billion a year from these pills and medications, yet they invest less than 5% in R&D. Meanwhile, families drain their life savings caring for loved ones. Here's what's even more shocking. The current treatment arsenal hasn't fundamentally changed. The primary medication often creates new torments, dyskinesia, involuntary muscle spasms, swallowing difficulties, freezing episodes, and dangerous falls. The cure becomes the curse. Imagine building a successful business for 20 years only to watch it crumble because you have to choose between your health or your company's survival. Small business owners face a unique crisis when Parkinson strikes. Unlike employees with benefits and disability coverage, entrepreneurs often lack safety nets. They're forced to choose between maintaining their business, which is their life's work, and their family's primary income source, or managing this progressive neurological disease. Let me briefly share Lady Di's story. She built her legacy as a gritty entrepreneur. She showed values of team spirit, love, and faith. As a single mom of 4, she opened a sandwich shop in San Diego, strategically located next to business office towers. This became a very successful lunch spot in San Diego. But Parkinson's doesn't care about your business success. Because of her tremors, she fell countless times, hundreds of emergency visit rooms. Everyone called my heroic mother-in-law Lady Di, or Dee Dee. For almost 20 years, she battled Parkinson's with grace and grit. What started as tremors over time became severe dyskinesia, confining her to a body prison of excruciating pain and relentless torture. If you're a business owner affected by Parkinson's, or you know someone who is, click the link in the description below to learn more about applying for a grant from Operation Free Lady Di. We are providing 4 grants of $2,500 each per quarter in all 50 states to help business owners maintain their dignity and their dreams. While we wait for AI-driven breakthroughs and more progressive drugs, America's businesses and families need help now. In honor of our national freedoms and to further the legacy of Cheryl Diane Abdi, we're launching Operation Free Lady Di, a targeted and united revolution to support business owners fighting Parkinson's. Our goal is to raise $500,000 by December 31st, 2025. These funds will provide 200 grants to small business owners who are diagnosed with Parkinson's or supporting a family member suffering from this disease. These grants are graciously administered by our nationwide charity, Secret Sauce Foundation, which is helping to transform underserved business owners into elite entrepreneurs. We're proud to announce that we've secured our first $10,000 commitment. This will fund 4 initial grants of $2,500 each. These are not handouts. They're investments in dignity, hope, and the entrepreneurial spirit that refuses to surrender. For the price of one family dinner out, you can help restore dignity to a business owner battling Parkinson's. These grants provide crucial breathing room to cover medications, equipment, or simply keep the lights on during those difficult days and nights in hospital rooms. Lady Di's legacy lives on through the values she instilled in each of us, lucky to be in her presence: grit, team spirit, love, and faith. Operation Free Lady Di carries these values forward. creating ripple effects that extend far beyond San Diego and into every state in our great nation. Our hope is to spark ideas, a revolution, business owners fighting for business owners, uplifting those suffering from the effects of Parkinson's. Better yet, an entrepreneur we help today becomes tomorrow's innovator, developing the cure that finally unlocks Parkinson's prison to free millions worldwide. Let's work together to unchain those trapped by Parkinson's. Lady Di taught us that even in our darkest moments, we can still light the way for others. America's business revolution against Parkinson's starts with a single grant, a single family, a single moment of hope. It starts with you. To learn more about Operation Free Lady Di and how you can help support business owners battling Parkinson's, click the link in the description below.